Morning all, here's a quick video about my Ford Focus 2008 Tdci. I had a warning light come on the dash, which was the ABS, and it would not go out. So I got my scan tool, which is a CF29 running 4Scan software. I plugged that in and it gave me back a code C1288, which for the Ford is the ABS brake pressure sensor. The problem with my car is that the ABS system is located on the bulkhead behind the battery. So to get at it, you have to take out the air filter, you have to remove the battery, and you have to remove the battery box. I'd stripped the unit out, I put it on my workbench and I took it apart, and the first thing I found was the hydraulic motor was running rough. So I put a bit of grease on that and oiled it up. I took the module, stripped the top off, soldered it, everything was okay. The ABS block itself I could not do anything with, unfortunately. That is a complete unit. Specialists can do something with it, I can't. I put it back together, put it back in the car, and had the same problem. So I decided to get one on eBay. I looked through what was for sale and found a model that was very close to mine. It was in the same trim, it was 6 months older, but apparently had been tested by the seller. So I ordered it. Luckily enough, before I installed it in the car, I stripped it down to check things and make sure, and this was what I found. On the right you see my hydraulic motor, which had had a bit of grease in it, but obviously there seems to be a problem. These things seem to seize up because obviously they're not being used. Seem pretty smooth. On the left we have what they'd sent me, and that sounds like the bearing's gone. Luckily I can put the unit back together using my hydraulic pump motor and their module and ABS block. So word of the wise, even when they say it's been tested, please check it before you put it in. Have a good one.